Which one? Hey! Louder! Which one? No matter the problem, you have so many songs. Okay, everyone shout the song you want to sing next. Control. Which one? Liam, which one? Other one. Amaso. Yeah? Show me. Yeah? Which one? Show me. Okay. Fire dancer. Yeah? Okay, now what's doing? Give me a dancehall vibration, we do some fire dancehall thing on the place. Watch me on the routine. Who knows the lyrics together? Come on. Say, watch me on the routine. Everybody do the thing. What? Oh my God! Which other one? Eh? Fire baby. Ozande. Wala de musiku denyo Ozande. For me, what I know is she has an amazing voice. It's incredible. Tubalageko?
Mine and flow like I want to fall.
What is the boss? Together.
Show me your true colors, boy.
To you, man. Louder.
Your true colors, boy. When I am gay, you're one day.
Louder.
When I am gay, you're one day.
Okay,
Say yes, tomorrow and tell me no.
Oh my gosh.
You need me smiling face. Won't you come?
Tell him.
You know my dress. Tomorrow it's future.
Yeah.
Boy, what you want, what you don't want. Yes, I need. What you want, what you don't want. Yes, I need. No,
Show me. You're nice, you guys are nice. How about this one? Louder to win it more. What do you call it? No, tell him.
Akachapa siku mugongo wekututa kusiga.
Yeah.
Omugalo babumba mukusanyusa wasiwa kutakula.
Koroja.
Nyumisa tabula munange. Kunone amulisi nange. Teka mpulani nawe. Kubalira kemino titane. Mtamani nako wala unayepekesio.
Exceptional.
Baby, don't water.
Come on.
I'm so glad you could
Run to me, baby, run to me.
Jagala took a
this to Winnie Nwagi fans. Who knows this song, yeah? Jagala kuwa kumbera Nango patembera Oh, jagala kuwa kumbera You're nice Nango patembera Who knows the verse? Let me hear you, sing. If you know this one, you need to be having like 2 children now. Are you ready? Giant science, baby. How many children do you have? Okay, the bus. Nwagi, more. How do you feel when you see it?
You're so nice.
But for now, I'm going to take about 3 questions for Winnie Nwagi. She has a new song. What is the name of the new song? It's called what? You guys are so nice. So DJ Magic Touch is ready. He's going to be bumping the song. But before that, I need to move on to Kirao. Temutia. Here, have the microphone. Ask. Can she be yours? Hey, you mean me? Me, can I be yours? Wakanywa Uganda wanajinya omusajja mukute mulamu. You want me to be yours? Oluseke luganye luno. Oluganye. Olukoba, alright. Olukoba is going to be coming. Yeah, let me have a question. When are you going to have a song with Shiba? When is she going to have a song with Shiba? Mama, Nyampaka. Eh? Okay, so I think
when the right time comes, yeah, that will be perfect. What are you saying? Chiliko,
yeah, Chiliko. Kati olutalo oluli wano waliwo abaagala eya Shiba, waliwo abaagala eya Sidi. Tuyisemu egaali tulabe abaagala eya Shiba, make some noise! Tebalina se abaagala eya Sidi, make some noise! Ebintu bino birimu politics. She's a record holder. She is the female artist, actually, not only female artist, Yomukuba Yimbi, abakasigo tuwayo concert ey'amaanyi wano mu ggwanga. Massive record order. It's a record, yeah? Are you planning any other concerts?
It's not this year.
Not this year. Okay. What's together? Okay, I'm taking four questions. Let me start off with you, Shiva, then to Dao.
Hi, Nwagi.
Hi.
You are chosen blood. What happened? What happened? Chosen by the Jew. Yeah.
Mama ametumia chosen blood. Chosen blood. Shit, one day you will kill me, I swear. Yeah, but is that something you want to respond to?
I've been responding to so many questions about chosen blood, but there is nothing really. Tewali mtawala. It was just a misunderstanding.
Yeah.
And you know, fix that.
We're good. All right. Two last questions. Tewala byempisa etungamu yafuna engolo. Okay. Aleese omuntu ogumu ayagala olukoba. Olukoba lufuuse olukoba bannaaye. Zino ngenda zisigaza sigenda ziwa muyimbi. Olukoba lwa mutwalo. Olukoba mugenda zongerako tuziteeke wano kale. Weziwera ezitegerekeka nga tuyimba olukoba. No, weziri aba osimye omusingi. Alright. Olugule tano.
So when we do a Kenyan collab, we are from Kenya. Kenyan table is there. Where were Kenyans? Kenyans in the house. So when are you going to do a Kenyan collab? With which artist do you want to do a collab?
You ran away from the protests, eh? You want to take refuge in Uganda. When our time comes, when we come to your side, you are ours. Okay, so Kenya has a lot of talent. Who would you love to be a collab with in Kenya for protecting cars? Who would you do a collab with from Kenya?
Is Mr. Blue still there?
Mr. Blue, to Kenya? He's still there, eh?
Yeah, maybe Mr. Blue.
Yeah.
Huh?
Bien?
Maybe if I'm given a chance.
So Bien, when given a chance, Ben has already done a couple of Ugandan collabs, so definitely we know that songs that we can work on that, right? Okay, my question then, we premiere the new song. Gawatulina ne sente z'olukoba temutuswaza, yeah? Sinapu singazi.
It just sounds good to listen.
Sikinyumiza wakubya muyaye engolo. Oinago wakubya engolo. You know there's that video. When you see the video, it looks different, yeah? Waliwo engolo ne Teke, omu yafunye engolo, omulala n'afuna taxi ne makwati.
That video was edited.
Hey, that is AI.
It was simply a slap.
Just a simple slap.
Yeah.
Why? Why?
You know, there is that part in Batureke where you say, you know,
Hey.
that was the part. And then that person added it to the slap. So it looked like I slapped and then I kicked.
Kale, eyafuna slap ye yafuna yaki?
Yafuna slap, yali disrespectful. Lwakuba omuntu akwata video, aba tasobola kwata oyo kye yasoose kukola. So when it comes to you, you only see my part. And it makes me look bad. But I will not stop saying I do not want to be touched disrespectfully. Yeah, so whenever it happens, I can't stop slapping. I just find myself slapping.
The slap is a reflex, eh? And so be warned. DJ Magic Touch, are you ready? So this is Hush, guys, this is what's gonna happen, yeah? There's a new song, eh? It is not AI, it is here, but we have seen the video. Let me see again. Now,
Please go back and watch from your house.
okay, I want you guys to listen to the new song and you let us know. It's so somebody set fire! Watch this. Preach it, preach it. Brand new. How many lyrics? Watch it. Come on. Listen, kidney. If you believe Yatamune, say yeah. Who is the producer of that song?
Zeus, yeah.
Zeus.
Yeah.
Is the one that wrote that song, yeah?
Zeus wrote the song. He's a young writer. He's not known, but I want you guys to know Zeus. He wrote this song with passion.
Fire, baby.
Yeah, fire.
And the song is doing well. MC Pat, out of 10 this song. You give it an 8. Big up on yourself. Ray Arazeo, Ray signature. I need your comment about this song as a writer, as somebody who's been with yeah, please. I need your feedback about the song.
But Ray is my friend.
Raise you not as an artist, as an authority in the game. That song.
I'm going to be honest.
I love that song. I watched. Very beautiful song. Thank you. Victor, your Galaxy TV. Victor, come here. Control it, ojiwulidde obeera ku TV nga musala omugambo olimba luli lutya. Owa Teke n'aveeyo agenda ateekamu eyaaye anaaye empala nange erinye. It's honestly a beautiful song. There's a visualizer. Is that the final video of the song, or we're gonna have another video of the song? Yeah. Where did you do the visualizer from? Is that in Uganda?
Yes, in Uganda.
Oh yeah. Big up on yourself. Nyama Choma is going to be coming to Yamawe. Thank you so much for honoring our invite. We love you so much. Every time Winnie Nwagi pulls through, it's fire, and we appreciate
you. Thank you guys for having me. Thank you for always standing up for fire, baby.
Oh yeah.
I love you guys.
Make some noise for Winnie Nwagi one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. DJ Magic Touch, are you ready? At the